Here we are, dusty. This thing just pops and it's so awesome. Looks so good. It's definitely looked better. It has definitely looked better. What is up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here in my 2006 Nissan 350z Rev Up, and we are headed over to TSM Collision right now. As you can tell, I got my work shirt on. Today is the day we are starting the disassembly process on the 350z HR, which is super exciting. I don't know how long this entire process is gonna take, but they're pretty quick over there at the shop. So it might be done sooner than we think. I have no idea, but we're gonna start the disassembling process right now. They're actually holding off until I get there. I'm actually running a little bit late. I'm sorry. I had a snafu with the YouTube video this morning. I don't know if you noticed, but my last YouTube video went up. It was like 1 minute and 20 seconds long. So I had to take it down and post the full one. It was like 12 minutes. In that video, we pretty much just talked about what color we're gonna be painting the car and most of the body work that needs to be done on that thing. And I think the OEM San Marino Blue is gonna be the color to go with, but oh, we got a Dodge Viper. Oh, that's clean. It's like an older one too. Fun fact, the red 350Z, the car that we're in right now, it's actually painted Viper Red, which is a Dodge color, but we've modified it a little bit to be even brighter and more vibrant. So it's not 100% Viper Red, but it has a Viper Red base. Cheers to the monster while we're at this red light. I wonder if this Dodge Viper will race us. I'm just kidding. Cheers. The Viper definitely sounds better than the McLaren we saw in the last video. All right, here we are. Back over at the shop. Z's around the corner. This thing looks so crazy. I like that red. And Z is over there. I'm gonna bring it in and start getting it taken apart here. And here we are. Dusty as could be, but still looks pretty cool. Oh yeah. Truck with no tailgate. Look at all that. Dang. Pretty cool. Well, soon enough, it'll be spotless. I'm actually kind of shocked. I can't believe it. All right, it's later in the day. It's about 3 o'clock, but they got my car over here on the side. They're gonna pull it in and start taking it apart. I cannot wait. Ah, sheesh. Here we go. Yeah. I can't believe it's happening. Yeah. So I've been trying to decide on a color of what to paint this car, and I actually posted a poll on my community section. So go and vote on that, but check this out. Genesis Blue from McLaren, I think it would look really, really cool. So it's kind of got that navy blue color still, but then also it's a little bit brighter. So let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, that would be pretty awesome.
1 week later.
What is up? We are back. It is about 1.5 weeks later. They've been working hard on the Z all week, which is so cool. As you guys know, in the meantime, we installed this screen and have figured out how to play Minecraft on it. Like, we have a whole computer, like I got a keyboard and everything for my screen now, which is so cool. Check out those videos. I'll put them up here on the top of the screen. But this is part 2 of the update for the blue 350z HR. As you saw in the last video, they started the entire process, which is so cool. And pretty much right now, the entire car is pretty much sanded and taken apart. Absolutely insane to see. But we're gonna run in there right now and check it out. But look at this Mustang over here. Check it out. So sweet. Whether we're in the sun or in the shade, this thing just pops and it's so awesome. Like literally, it makes that fire hydrant right there look dull. Look at the color on this Mustang. Look at that. Candy hot pink. Would you have picked that? Like honestly, would you have picked this color for this Mustang? I don't know if this would have been the color I picked, but the entire engine bay, paint job done right. So sweet to see. I mean, look at this. Just nuts. Just absolutely nuts. Cannot wait to see this thing all done. Pretty awesome Lotus right here. Dang, man. Oh shoot.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay. Yo, looks so good. Dang, man, dang, man. Dang. All right, so I came back over to the car because I don't want to get in any of their way. They're working hard right now, and they have the door shut because it's 100 degrees out here right now, and it's just really hot in that room. So now that it's actually happening, it's kind of hitting me that we're painting the HR right now, which is just so cool. To have this car and that car right next to each other is just gonna look so awesome. Should we put the exact same front lip that's on this car on the blue car, at least for the time being? I feel like it would look really cool, especially if we paint matched it. I would love to see what that front lip looks like on a different color car, because I feel like it looks so good on the red car. Like, look at this. Now, it's got some rock chips and stuff, but I mean, the way it comes down on either side and kind of up in the middle, I feel like it just complements the shape of the front of this car so well. I don't know, it wouldn't be too much. Like, I think it's only $100 on Amazon for that front lip, so I think I'm gonna do it. It's really just gonna change the way the front of the car looks, and I honestly feel like it's gonna bring the front of the car down a little bit as well. All right. Dang, that thing's cool too. Check it out. So they brought the blue Z over here in all of its sanded glory. Man, it's definitely looked better. It has definitely looked better. But hey, honestly, seeing this thing have any progress made whatsoever is just so cool. So we actually had to get a brand new front bumper because the other one was, it was cracked in a few places, and there was a few of the clips that weren't actually intact. And so this is all bonded. All of this, every little, you know, ding and dent that we had has been bonded and fixed, which is just so insane. All these fenders have been fixed. And I don't know if you guys remember, but we had just the worst bacon fenders you could imagine on either side of this. So they did such an amazing job. All the door dings have been fixed. Everything back here has been fixed as well. So couldn't have asked for a better group of people or a more professional group of people to work on my car. I'm just so thankful. The stock OEM wheels are on that 350Z right now, and the whole entire car is going to be painted blue. But the wheels themselves are going to be just nasty, like super dirty, super curb rashed. Like, just those wheels need to be fixed. So I don't know if I should see about finding someone that can fix those OEM wheels just to put that car back to stock, or if we should get another set of wheels for this red car and put the wheels that are on this thing on that car. Because if we put the wheels on this thing on the blue car and then add that front lip, it's just going to be basically the exact same car, just the HR version in blue instead of red. So I don't know if that's what we should do. I mean, it would look really cool. I think there should be at least one photo shoot where we put these wheels on that car. But man, watching them sand all that stuff was bringing back memories of when we sanded every panel on this red car ourselves, and it's just so cool to have those guys helping us out and knocking it out in literally like one day. Like, those guys are so fast. They have like 4 guys on that car right now. It's just crazy. Like, I just cannot wait to see what that car looks like done. I haven't decided on the color yet. I was gonna see if we could make that P1, that Genesis blue P1 color. That was a one-off McLaren MSO special color, so I don't know how hard it would be to replicate that, or at least something similar. I love how bright it was. The San Marino blue would probably maintain better resale value, but I feel like the colors wouldn't be too far off. I feel like I just want it to pop a little bit more, if that makes sense, especially next to this bright red car. Or maybe we go the 100% opposite and we just make this car super dark, like a dark blue, and have the super bright red car next to it. Haven't decided yet. Let me know in the comments what you think, but I'm sure either way, whatever we decide, the car is gonna look insane when it's done, and I cannot wait. So kind of just an update video. I'm still at work today. I have to go back in there, but if you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a subscribe if you haven't yet already. The car is about to be done. Go ahead and watch the install we did on the screen if you haven't in the meantime. Such an awesome upgrade. And we can play Minecraft in here now, which is just so cool. Check out the last video if you're interested in that. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video for the next 350Z update. Peace out.